That looks so juicy. I'm ready. Wow, that's super fresh.
Okay, this looks delicious. Wait, why am I...
All right, viewers. Today, I'm back again with a brand new idea. 100% free GPT Image 2 Use for Images tool. As you can see on your screen, these fruit videos look absolutely amazing, and the way these fruits are interacting and eating is super engaging. So today, I'm going to show you how you can create these exact types of videos using 100% free tools. First of all, go to YouTube and search for a channel called Cracked Files. Now, as you can see, this channel has a very strong subscriber base. But the main question is this channel monetized? Yes, viewers, this channel is 100% monetized and is earning around 1.2K per month, which is really impressive. If we talk about its category, it falls under the lifestyle niche, which is also a very good sign. Now let's look at the views. The channel is getting massive engagement. Some videos have 1.9 million views, 1.2 million views, and many more in the hundreds of thousands. This clearly shows that their shorts are highly trending. If you watch these videos one by one, you'll notice something very important. Each video is unique, and every fruit has its own character and personality. They've created different types of content using this same concept, and that's why their videos are consistently getting millions of views. So this means, if we also adopt this new idea, there is a very high chance it can go viral. Because on YouTube, there are very few channels working on this concept, maybe just one main channel doing it properly. So make sure to watch these videos carefully and understand their style. Now, without wasting any time, let me show you the most important part. I already have a ready-made prompt system, which includes image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts. Everything is already prepared. What you need to do is simply copy all these prompts, then go to ChatGPT, paste them, and within seconds it will generate image prompts, video prompts, voiceover scripts. Everything will be ready for you automatically. You can see here, it has generated everything perfectly, step by step. Now comes the most important step. You need to save all these prompts into a document file. I've already created one, and I will also provide this file in the YouTube description so you can easily download it. Now let's move to the image generation part. We'll use a free tool called Leonardo AI. Go to the website, click on Start Now, and sign up using your Gmail. You can even use a temporary email. This tool gives you 150 free credits daily. As you can see, I've also used a random temporary email to log in. Once you log in, go to the image generation section. Select the model and choose GPT Image 2, which is a new and powerful model, and it only costs 8 credits per image. Now simply copy your first prompt, paste it, and click on Generate. Wait a few seconds. And boom, your first image is ready. You can see how high quality and detailed it is. A glossy strawberry character with a hero-style look. Now repeat the same process. Copy the second prompt, paste, generate, wait. And again, boom. The second image is ready. Do this for all your prompts one by one. After generating all images, you'll have a complete set of amazing fruit characters, each one unique and visually appealing, with expressive eyes and actions. Now download all these images one by one and save them. Once that's done, we move to the next step, the video creation tool, where we will convert these images into animation. So let's go. All right, viewers, now I'm going to take you to the next tool, Flow AI. As you already know, this tool is also 100% free. Simply click on the credit flow section and I'll open the website right here. Now what you need to do is very simple. Select any 3 to 4 images that you want to convert into videos. As you can see, I'm selecting them one by one. Now I'll take the first image, give it a proper prompt, and for video generation, I'll select VO 3.1 Lite, which uses standard credits. After that, I'll repeat the same process, converting all images into videos one by one. So now you can see 1, 2, 3. All 3 videos have started generating simultaneously. Now let me show you the results. After waiting for a short time, you can see, boom, my first video is ready. And just look at the result. Oh my god, this is amazing. Now let me show you the second video. And here it is. The result is again absolutely incredible. And the same goes for the third video. So viewers, I've now generated all 3 videos successfully. Now I'll simply download all of them in 720p quality. Once downloaded, we move to our second free tool, which is Digen AI. Yes, viewers, this tool is also 100% free and provides daily credits. Here, I'll select RM 3.1 Turbo, which also includes audio, and again, completely free. Now I'll upload the first image. I'll only show you how to create one video here because I've already made many videos on this tool and you're already familiar with it. So here, I've selected the pineapple image. Now I'll go to the prompt section, paste my prompt, and click on Generate. As you can see, the generation has started, and within just 2 minutes, the video will be ready. Alright viewers, after waiting a bit, you can now see the final result. My video is ready, and honestly, the result is very impressive. This means Digen AI is also 100% free for video creation, so now I've created videos using both Flow AI, Digen AI, and you can clearly see the results. In the same way, you can upload any image and generate videos however you like. And yes, this tool also gives you around 150 daily credits. Now, let's move to the editing part. For editing, I'll open CapCut. I'll drag and drop all my videos into the timeline. Then I'll arrange them in sequence, deciding which clip comes first and which comes next. To remove any watermark or logo, I'll simply use the scale option. And once everything is set, I'll export the final video. Now let's look at the final result. Oh my god, this is amazing. You can see how beautifully I created these character-style videos within minutes, using 100% free AI tools. Today, you learned how to use Leonardo AI with GPT Image 2, how to generate videos using Flow AI, and how to enhance them using Digen AI. So this means all the tools we used today were completely free. If you watched this video till the end, make sure to subscribe to the channel so I can keep bringing you more new and powerful ideas like this. I'll see you in the next video with another amazing idea. Till then, take care and goodbye.